What's the meaning of anagram? Anagram. 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 Anagram.
An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase. For example, the word listen can be rearranged to form the word silent. The result of an anagram is a new word or phrase that uses the same letters as the original, but in a different order. Anagrams are often used for word games and puzzles, and are a fun way to exercise the brain. They can also be used to create clever and memorable names or slogans for products, services, or organizations.